Hi, I'm Georgia, and today in our Around the House series, we're going to be doing the laundry.
Play, play, play along. Come on and play along. Play, play, play along. Come on and play along.
Okay, so here we are in the laundry. So, okay, the sign for laundry. This is the sign for clothes. You just brush down here twice. And then, and this is the sign for washing machine. So laundry, this laundry area would be you do clothes and then you do the washing machine part. Laundry. Well now, some of us think we spend way too much time in this laundry area, but it's kind of important. And last week we did the garage, and our laundry area is in the garage. Some of you are lucky enough to have it inside your house. Some of you have to go laundromat, but wherever you go, we all have to do the laundry, right? Okay, so washing machine, that's a key component. You take two hands and they twist opposite, because like the agitator that would be in the washing machine, you kind of twist it like that. Washing machine. Next door we have the dryer. This is a sign for dry. Okay, just like as if you had something on your chin and you wanted to wipe it dry. This is dry. And then you come down like the box. Okay, so this is dryer. So we have our washing machine and we have our dryer. And what do we have to put in the washing machine to make it get the clothes clean? Oh, this is a sign for clean. Okay, because when we have dirty, sign for dirty, wiggle your fingers, dirty clothes, we need to wash them. Okay, wash, and you're scrubbing. So we have to put in some detergent. Now the sign for detergent is you do the soap, this is soap, and then you make a Y hand and you're like you were pouring the soap or the detergent inside the washing machine. All right, so you go soap and detergent, or this is sign for detergent. Okay, and then hopefully we get our clothes clean. Okay, up here on top, other things we might have in the laundry area, because we have lots of cleaning supplies. So remember, this is a sign for clean. So we have several different kinds of soap. We have some vinegar. So you make a V hand and you put your pointer finger to your chin and tap it twice. Vinegar, which is kind of like the great cleaner of all times, right? Hangers. We might have hangers if you have to hang up your clothes. So the sign for hanger, you do a pointer finger and you take an X finger, X hand, and put that on top of your finger. Hanger. Or you might need to hang up some clothes using clothespins. So you're going to go the sign for clothes and then grab your palm, the flat hand here. Okay, so this is clothespin. Okay, other things we might store in this laundry area, you might want to have a broom. So the sign for broom would be you're going to sweep like that. And you even might have a dustpan. Now for dustpan, you hold your palm down a little bit and you're going to sweep up, because when you sweep into a dustpan, you have to sweep it into the dustpan, right? So this is dustpan. Other things you might have, you might keep your iron and your ironing board in here. Okay, stay. So ironing board. So this is ironing, and then you bring your fingers out like this because it's a long skinny thing, right? So this is ironing board. Okay, actually, sorry, I did wrong. Ironing board. And the sign for ironing would be just like you're ironing. Something else you might store in here would be your vacuum cleaner. I'm not going to lift that up because it's a little bit heavy. So vacuum, you put a flat hand out here and you kind of wobble your hand back and forth, because that's what it would do, right? It sucks up all the stuff that's on the ground. Okay, so there's lots of things in this little area. Okay, so we have our cleaning supplies, we have our washing machine, we have our dryer, We have lots of different soaps. We have our detergent. We have hangers and clothespins. We have our broom, and then we have our dustpan. We have our ironing board and our vacuum cleaner. And what else did we have in here? I think that's about it. Oh, because we have to wash our dirty clothes, right? Okay. Well, thank you so much for joining me. And stay tuned because we have a couple more episodes of our Around the House series, so you don't want to miss all of this ASL vocabulary, okay? So we'll see you next week.
Play, play, play along. Come on and play along. Play, play, play